Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the issue with the missing get button when switching out of S mode. So I have a screenshot here of what you might be seeing when you've attempted to switch out of S mode. And as you can see on the bottom left hand side here, there is no get button. So how do we solve this issue and get the get button to display? So let me just close out these screenshots here, and the first thing we need to do is check if we have Windows activated. So you want to navigate to your desktop and then scroll to the bottom left hand side here to the search box, and you'll want to type this PC. You'll then want to click on this PC here. Once you're here, let me just maximize this, and then you want to right click on this PC on the left hand side here, and then you want to click Properties. Once you've got your properties, you should see your system information and you should see your Windows edition. As you can see, I have Windows 10 Home. I've already switched out of S mode. Now, if you have a message here that tells you that you need to enter in a product key to activate your Windows because your Windows is not activated, then you know that Windows isn't activated. Now, as you can see on my end, my Windows is activated, hence the product ID here, and I'm going to blank this out for my own privacy. Okay, so if you don't have Windows activated, what can you do to solve this issue? Well, if you've just bought a brand new PC from a shop, so a pre-built computer or a laptop, then it should come with Windows pre-activated. If this is not the case, you'll want to contact the store that you bought your computer from, and you'll want to request a replacement device. Now, if you've installed your own Windows operating system onto your computer, then you will need to buy a product key. So I'm just going to navigate to my browser. And then the first one, I'm going to show you Microsoft.com, and you can buy your Windows here. So you can buy Windows 10 Home for $139 or Windows 10 Pro for $199.99. Now, if you want an OEM version of Windows, then you can use Kinguin, and here you can buy Windows for a lot cheaper. You can also use G2A and buy it for a lot cheaper again. Okay, so let's say you've gone through the purchasing of your product key and now you've got your product key. You can simply enter it back into the Windows Edition section here and just type in your product key and activate your Windows. Now go over to your Windows Store and try to switch out of S mode again, and the big blue Get button should be there. Now, if you do have Windows activated, then there are a few other things you can try. Navigate to the bottom left hand side here to your search box and type Task Manager. Click on the Task Manager to open it, and then what you want to do is navigate to Services, and then you want to scroll down to where it says wuauserv, and then you want to click on it, and as you can see it's running here. Right click and then select Stop to stop it, and then right click again and click Start to start it again. You can also simply click Restart, but I like to make sure that I turn it off and then turn it back on. X out of this, and now try to switch out of S mode. So before we move on to our last attempt, I just want to make sure that you're actually signed into the Microsoft Store. So navigate to the bottom left here and type Microsoft Store, and open up your Microsoft Store. Once that opens, go to the top right hand side here and make sure that you're actually signed into your profile. And if you are signed in, sign out and sign back in and try to switch out of S mode again. Now, if that doesn't work, you can also try to reset your Windows Store. So again, you want to scroll over to the bottom left hand side here to your search box and type wsreset. Left click on wsreset to run it. And then don't do anything, just wait for this command prompt to disappear and your Windows Store will reopen and you'll be fully reset. And once your Windows Store reopens, you can try to switch out of S mode again. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a like, comment down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so